This video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast. Now also shipping to the United States.
Hi, I'm Chris from the Gunpla Network, and this is your Gunpla Weekly News broadcast. We start with the HG 1144 Galaxy booster from Build Fighters. This is the booster that comes with the Build Strike Galaxy Cosmos. The starter pack system allows you to use this new add-on with various Gunpla and customize them. It will also come with a display base. It will be released before the end of the month and retail for 864 yen. A picture of the box art has been released with brand new pictures of the kits that will be released this month for 1944 yen. The Fumina line keeps coming, even if we really never asked for it. Cleavage is always good. We got brand new pictures of the HGBF Lonheng RInko. This kit will be released next March for 2,700 yen, and don't worry, she's 18. Bandai and Tamashii Japan are planning to release a MetalBuild version of the Gundam Avalanche Astrea Type F. They explain this decision following up the huge success of the MetalBuild Astrea Type F. They will be releasing more details about this kit in the future. From Dengeki magazine once more, we have new pictures of the HGUC 1144 Blue Destiny Unit 3 that looks quite bulky, comes with some awesome looking accessories, and it will be released in March for 1728 yen. And to round up the news, we have brand new pictures of the real grade Banshee Norn that will be released this month for 4320 yen. Now the waiting is starting for the P Bandai Phoenix. You know it's coming, you know it'll be expensive, but you'll still buy it anyway. Let's proceed to the top 5 builds of the week by the Gunpla Network Facebook members. In 5th place, Van Cyrus and his GM/GM Deathstroke. In 4th place, we have Nicholas Taeda Sanchez and his 1100 Grays Custom. In 3rd place, we have Gary Chan and his Gundam Sentinel. In 2nd place, we have our very own Miguel Armando Espaldon and his Zaku Exceed Head. And in 1st place this week, we have Joseph M. Mims and his Strike Buster. And now your network updates. Earlier this week, we announced the winners for the first year anniversary giveaway for Gunpla Network. We took a first look at the Astaroth Renacimento. We reviewed the basic Gundam marker set. We did an unboxing of the HG IBO 1144 frame Shinden. We also reviewed the new Action Base 4. That's it for this week. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care!